Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Group 10's EC544 Challenge 4 video. I will begin by demonstrating our hardware setup. We have a Raspberry Pi, 4 photons, and a router. The router is connected to the BU Campus network through Ethernet, and the 4 photons are configured so that they are wirelessly connected through WLAN to the router. And this way they are also connected to the internet, which allows us to configure them through the Particle Console online. Through the Particle Console, we can flash our own firmware onto the photons. In this case, we have flashed firmware that allows us to read temperature sensor data from the circuit that is installed on each one of the photons, and then publish this data to the particle cloud. Once it is on the particle cloud, it is pulled from a Node.js server that is running on a Raspberry Pi, and then stored in MongoDB. I am now SSH into the Raspberry Pi, and I'm showing you the output from the Raspberry Pi showing that the temperature sensor data has been read from the particle cloud and inserted into MongoDB. Once it has been inserted into our database, we can then visualize it on our web page, as I will show you right now. Here you can see the real-time temperature sensor readings and an average temperature from each of the sensors that are connected, and real-time displayed at the bottom. We can easily also switch over to the historical view, where we can see data that has been stored in MongoDB over the past 30 seconds or minute or whichever time range that you choose. We have enabled the access of this website, this web page, from the phones and computers that are not on the BU Campus network through DDNS and port forwarding. So the Raspberry Pi gets has a static IP, and the router is assigned a dynamic IP address from the BU network. The Raspberry Pi updates a website online that tells it what the current IP address of the router is, and this way we can connect it to SyrianSamurai.eddis.net, and we can access this web page from anywhere, and it does not have to be on the same network. Thank you very much.